and this channel is Gardening with Shelly. But it's much more than just gardening. Let me have a seat and I'll explain. Let's put my tea down. So here at this channel, you'll learn that I like to teach people easy steps to be successful in gardening and a way to do it on a budget. So as you can see, this is my garden room, and we've already started our winter sowing for the spring. But we're so much more than just gardening. We do projects like building things such as raised planters out of fence boards that we recovered from the dump, and it's zero cost to us. And we like to teach you things like that. We have a wedding arch that we're going to be building this year as well, and a lot more other projects. So if you like to subscribe and push the notification button, I'd be happy to have you. Thanks for coming. Bye now.